Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone, my name is Andini Rahma. I am a student of the English Education Department, Faculty of Language and Arts, Indraprastha PGRI University. Today, I would like to present my final project for the English Phonology course. The title of my project is Sound Sorting Pocket Cards Activity. This learning media is designed for beginner English foreign language learners, especially elementary school students who are learning English sounds for the first time. The objectives of this activity are to help students recognize English consonant and vowel sounds, to help students classify sounds into the correct categories, and to improve students' pronunciation awareness through simple and interactive learning activities. This activity focuses on English consonant and vowel sounds. The consonant sounds included in this project are P, D, and L, and the vowel sounds included are E, A, and E. Each flashcard contains the epoch symbol, an example word, a picture, information about the sound, and a simple explanation of how to pronounce it. This product consists of a consonant category part, a vowel category part, and sound flashcards containing consonant and vowel sounds. The parts are used as sorting categories, while the cards are used by students during the learning activity. First, the teacher places the consonant and vowel parts on the classroom wall or whiteboard. Next, the teacher distributes one flashcard to each student. Students observe their cards and identify the sound shown on the card. After that, students decide whether their card belongs to the consonant category or the vowel category. They then come forward and place the card in the correct category. To make the activity more engaging, the teacher may turn it into a competition. Students who correctly place their cards can receive points, stickers, or small rewards. This activity can be used in pronunciation lessons, phonics lessons, or introductory phonology classes. It encourages active participation and helps students to learn English sounds through hands-on practice rather than memorization. For example, this card contains the sound B with the word book. Since B is a consonant sound, the card should be placed in the consonant category. Another example is the sound E with the word tree. Because E is a vowel sound, it belongs in the vowel category. Students continue sorting the remaining cards until all sounds are classified correctly. In conclusion, the sound sorting pocket cards activity is a simple, interactive, and practical learning material that helps beginner learners identify and classify English consonant and vowel sounds while improving their understanding of phonetic symbols and pronunciation. That concludes my presentation on the sound sorting pocket cards activity. I hope this explanation is understandable and can be useful for making learning more enjoyable for you. That's all from me. I apologize for any shortcomings and errors. Thank you for your attention and time. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.